Skirting the brown line, minding my business. Then it's your stop and I can't help myself. Searching the platform for a glimpse of your.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be giving you guys some outfits that you can wear this upcoming spring. So this first outfit consists of a cute yellow blouse with puffy sleeves and floral print. I absolutely love this design of blouse, and here I have this cute little cargo skirt kind of design from H&M, and I feel like the brown really goes with the yellow of this skirt. Here it is together. I think this is a very cute outfit because the top is pretty loud, but the skirt really helps balance it out, and I really like the silhouette of it with the puffy sleeves and the pretty tight looking skirt. I think it's very cute, and it sort of looks like a more formal kind of outfit that you can wear for spring, and it's absolutely adorable because of the colors. And here I'm pairing off with a brown heel that's very high but also has a sort of woody design. I feel like it really helps bring the brown of the skirt together with the rest of the outfit. Next up, we have this white blouse that has a pretty interesting neckline with a part of the shirt kind of going diagonally across to the other side. And here I have this beautiful orange and yellow skirt that's so flowy, so gorgeous. And here I paired this very basic white top together with this beautiful skirt. The skirt is really the main character here. When it comes to putting together spring outfits, I just love having a very simple part of the outfit while also having a very bright and colorful part. So here the simple part is the shirt, and the very loud part is the beautiful flowy skirt that I absolutely love twirling in. This skirt is just gorgeous. I feel like I can go frolicking around in the fields in this outfit. Okay, so for the shoes, I'm gonna pair it together with these white and wood sandals. I feel like the white really fits in with the white top, and is it like considered sandwiching method or something like that? So yeah, I really love how it goes with the outfit, and it doesn't hinder my twirling for the skirt. The next outfit is a romper that has very beautiful floral design. Look at those gorgeous pink roses. It is a long sleeve and also shorts together. And here it is on. I feel like I look like a K-drama lead. Like, this romper is absolutely gorgeous. It looks so elegant yet so spring. And the material is also perfect because it's light, but it's very nice and comfortable. And I absolutely love the fit of it. The long sleeves, the length of the shorts, it's gorgeous, and the floral design really brings all of it together. It looks so spring, it looks so elegant and classy. And here's me posing with a rose that I think looks sort of similar to the one on the print. And yeah, this outfit is perfect for spring, and I absolutely love it, even though it consists of mostly a dark black color. I think it's just beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous, perfect for spring. Next, I'm just gonna pair it with some nude heels because nude heels help lengthen my legs, make it look longer. That's why I think it's perfect for the romper, since the romper allows me to show a lot of legs. So now these nude heels really help put all the attention on the romper and makes my legs look really long. So yeah, it's beautiful. Next up, we have another pink item. This is a very tight shirt that is from US Polo, and it has very cute lacy detailings on the collar and on the sleeves. And I'm just gonna pair it together with some overalls because what's a better piece of clothing for spring than overalls? People think that overalls are outdated, but I think it's a very timeless piece that always comes back. And here's it together. It's giving farmer girl a little bit, but I think it's really cute for spring. It's a very casual outfit, and it just looks like I'm ready to go do some spring activities. And it looks so pretty even though it's super simple. But I think overalls are really pretty and perfect for spring. Summer, maybe not really since it gets really hot that time, but spring is an absolutely perfect time to wear overalls. And then we're gonna pair it together with my Air Force Ones because this outfit is very casual. And I think we need some comfy shoes to go along with this casual outfit. And here's me dancing to demonstrate that this is a very comfortable shoe. And it's very basic, but it's perfect for a basic piece of your closet. And next we have this beautiful long-sleeved bluish green top along with this gorgeous skirt. Look at the design. It looks like it's painted on, and I absolutely love that. So you put those two together, and here we have this gorgeous blue looking outfit, and I absolutely love how it looks together. The skirt is absolutely gorgeous, and I love how the top fits as well. The top actually has a little bit of a hole or a little gap in the back, but it just doesn't show, maybe because I'm not tall enough for the design to really be demonstrated. But I think this outfit is just really cute and girly and adorable. So next we're just gonna pair it together with these white and wood sandals that I wore earlier because I really love how these sandals are just really good for any kind of outfit because it's so basic and we all need those kinds of shoes in our closet. And next up we have this green top that has these more floral designs, and it's very beautiful. And next we have these cute shorts. Look at the color. I absolutely am obsessed with the color. It's a very nice shade of green. And here I have this very monochromatic outfit, but they're two different shades of green, and I love how it fits. It gives off sort of summer vibes because of how much skin is showing, but I also think it's really cute. Now there you can clearly see the gap in this top, and I love how airy it is, and I also love the bow in the back. And here is the outfit together. It's a crop top and some shorts. Very basic, but I think the colors complement each other nicely. And next we're just gonna pair it together with these wooden heels that I also wore earlier because I just love those kinds of shoes that are basic and perfect for any outfit. So yeah, thank you for watching today's video. Please like, subscribe, and show some love in the comments. Bye!